Hello, I'm Melissa Fago, Creative Memories Advisor from Suffolk, Virginia, and I have a sneak peek for you today. So, how exciting is that? I kind of let the day go by, had a great lunch with my niece and my daughter and my parents. So, we're doing this a little late, but that's okay. So, let's just get right to sharing my screen because this is like crazy, crazy fun stuff. And I think we've got lots of neat stuff for different people. So, all right, I'm just making sure it's showing the right screen. It looks like it is. All right, 6 themes for endless adventures. This is really cool. So you can see on the screen how different they look, right? And I've scanned this on my phone. So we're going to be looking at this together. So, adventure theme bundles, and there's 6 different ones, and it's designed to capture every kind of adventure. So, and then plus 6 coordinating album covers and 3 border punches. So, I'm pretty excited about this. All right. So, let's look at these bundles. They are a paper pack and a sticker pack for $20. And I'm going to try to make it a little bit bigger. All right, there you go. So this one is called Making a Splash. So we've got our beach or summer pools or blow up pools and slides and things. Water gun fights in this picture. I love that. So very cute. And then we have Enchanted Royalty Bundle. How cute is this? Love these. Really, really pretty papers. Really pretty papers. And then this is showing you the papers. Let's flip through them and the stickers. Looks like it's a 6-pack, maybe. We'll see. Let's see. I need to go read that. Oh, look, little. So what this will be designed for is if you wanted to cut these up and use them as little embellishments, journal boxes, titles on your pages, you can. But if not, then this is the other side of the paper that you can cut and use on your paper. Oh, look at that. So cute. Water parks. I didn't say water parks, did I? I said blow up toys. Water parks. Yeah. Oh, wow. Absolutely love this. So it looks like we do have 12 pages. So you're seeing all of them. So cute. So cute. That's going to be a lot of fun. All right. And then this one is the Enchanted Royalty. And I love those vines. And I think this is really different. Like, trying to think what I could use that with. Put your comment if you think of something, because I think that's gorgeous. And of course, the blues are always my color. I love the reds and golds. Yeah, this is very elegant. Very pretty. Very pretty. Enchanted, I guess. Very nice. And then we have Deep Space Drift and Medieval Moments. Loving, 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 loving this. So, Deep Space Drift. Let's look at these. Oh, wow. Oh, that's cool. We've had some outer space type things. I do think these are really different. Love the shooting stars. Love, because Star Wars has a new movie out, so I'm in getting that. But really cool. Those are way cool. Way cool. And then what was this one? I already forgot. Medieval Moments. Sorry. Now I want to go one of those medieval shows, right? Oh, they really have done a great job on all of these. Look how beautiful they are. I would love to hear what you could use these for, or what you're thinking you would use these for. You can comment on the post and let me know. That would be great. Let's start a little help other people think of what they could do with these, right? Spellbound Stories, and the Grand Exhibit. This one's really interesting to me when I saw the name. So let's look through these papers. This one I see, of course, Harry Potter right away. I think that's a big, huge thing down there at Universal, one of my favorite places. But I know nothing about Harry Potter. My kids do. I just have never watched it. One day I'm going to watch them all. And this one is the Grand Exhibit. Look how, like, can't you picture that in an old home? Or I love this. So my son took my grandfather's photo framed pictures from his house and put them all up in his dining room because he's living in my grandfather's old house. And I just think that's the coolest thing. And that's exactly what I would do, is use that paper for that page. So pretty. Wow, you could use these for a lot of things. I see travel, I see, well, we're saying that this is all travel. Oh, let's hear it. Let's see, I want to see if I can hear it. All right. Let's see. There's probably no way. It's probably just close up of the stickers. I love the stamping. Those are getting popular. I think I want the families. Oh, that's cute. Oh, they didn't get us to the album, but they did. There you go. Choose your adventure today. All right. And so then there are 3 punches. So this one, these are new, the Out in Space border, which is really cute. And then the Rustic Cobblestone, which I love that. That's the brown that you're seeing in here. So this is the background paper. These are pieces they put back in, but the brown is the actual punch. And then the Whitecap Waves is a bringback. So that one was a popular one. And here it's layered. So they punched it in the blue and then they layered it with a white. So that's cute. And then these are punches that they showed that we still have, I'm pretty sure, is the tiara chain. So they're showing that with the enchanted royalty one. The canning jars, which I think is great for Harry Potter. Spellbound. And then the pyramid keyhole, which is another beautiful one, does go great with that Grand Exhibit. So if you love all of these and could use every single one of them, it is a 10% off the buy it all bundle, which is going to be all 6 of the paper and stickers and all 3 of the punches. So I think that is a great deal. And let's see if they're adding anything else, because sometimes they do that. Nope. So it's all 6 of the paper packs and 3 of the border punches. And a lot of that is just an easy one-click order, so you don't have to go searching. And that's going to be from June 1st through the 12th. And then here are the cover sets that go with them or coordinate, but you can get them for whatever you want. Let's see about making them bigger. So this is the Making a Splash album. This is the Enchanted Royalty album. And this is the Spellbound album. So I'm thinking those are really good. And then we have the Deep Space Drift album, the Medieval Moments, and the Grand Exhibit. I feel like this could go for Harry Potter, and I don't even know much about it, but just really cool. Somebody's going to see like the Titanic. Could see a couple of these for that. All right, so that is it. Isn't that awesome? Oh my gosh, I love this. So different, these are things we have not had before. And maybe in like we've done a similar wizard one, or something, but some of these we have not had in this way. They're really, really pretty and of course, really well done. So if you do not have an advisor and you would like to place an order, I would love for you to order from me, creativememories.com/user/Melissa Fago. And if you are local to me and want to pick your order up for me, you can send me your order and I'll order it for you. I will be ordering Monday. That's the 1st. So we're okay Monday. We're still at, I need your order by noon, and I'll be ordering right about 1 o'clock. The 8th, it changes to where I'll be ordering at 10 a.m. So I'm going to need your order by 8 a.m. just to make sure that I can get it in. And let's see. Oh, and joining my team. This is a great time to get started. We have so many fabulous products out right now that you can join for $49 and then get your $50 product credit to get whatever product you want. So they're basically giving you $1 to get started. And I would love to chat with you more about that if you have any questions. So I hope you all have a fabulous weekend, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.